Hi everyone, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Monica Lobo, aka Shine Your Shine. Hope everyone is shining their shine out there. Don't forget, this is the season and the time of every maid na maid. Whatever that makes you happy, whatever you can reach out for, that is okay for you, whatever you can afford right now, let it make you happy. After all, every maid na maid. So far na maid. Even if they say na America maid, they say na Aba maid, they say na China maid, they say na AliExpress maid. So far you no borrow. So far na your thing. So far na you buy am. So far na the one where your strength fit rich right now, and it make you happy and it make you beautiful. Look at me, my own China maid, but I am beautiful in the maid and I'm happy in the maid. So all maid na maid. If I say all maid, you go say na maid. All maid na, all maid na. If you not talk and I be say you not be Lobo fan. If you be Lobo lover, as I talk that thing, you're supposed to sing and follow me. All the same, I love you all. Thank you all for always coming back to my channel. Thank you for you where they always share my channel. You where they always invite that friend when not remember to come. You where they always share with Messenger and WhatsApp and on your Facebook. God will continue to bless you. The God of Ambrose and Monica. The God will bless Ambrose and Monica for this foreign line. Not go forget your generation. In Jesus' name. Thank you all so much for being here. If you never subscribe for this channel, hey, you dey miss a lot. Because this channel, we know the gossip here. We know the fight here. We be neighbor. We love each other. And everything we dey talk here, now something we go better for you, we go better for me. Now something we go to say, hey, see how for there will make you not pull leg. And what we dey discuss here. As God just they bring am through me. Now so me, I know the staging with her. If you know me, you know say I know the staging. Now so I they bring am out because one person, they say if one person better for place, it no good though. Now everybody still dey darkness. If you know something, you don't want to release them. Me know I don't want to release them. You don't go help our people. Small thing where we they know. So me and they always they like to share. My people, now I can't jump this video where I want to talk about. So hey, this video it get a CB. But before I start to the talk this matter where I want to talk, so I better subscribe to my channel. You see that red button where they there? Just click on subscribe, and if you click on that red button, another bell will come out. That bell, the reason why you still click on it now for you to take the get notification anytime where I upload anything. Now you go be the first to see. Don't forget to summer they come. No say many orishi where Monica they do for summer. Go be the first to see. Subscribe and God will bless you as you subscribe, and also send out to your friends. My people, why it be say we human being, we too be hypocrite? We too they do hypocrite. Why we be like that? Why it be say our mouth now cho. Our mouth not even they talk one thing. Eh? Why? Why it be like that? Me I not like am. I can hate where it be say today. Person go talk one thing. Tomorrow, he go talk another one. Next tomorrow, some people just like anywhere where the thing plenty. Now they rush, they go. You know they good. I'm not doing with level. I'm not doing with level. What the Benin people mean by that one? Benin people say, if you always they look for new group, they go. You not go ever become the leader or Kalotu, the leader of that group. May you try to they stay long so that you can become the head one day. Me I like. That's why for Facebook those days when I did they really they operate. If I carry matter where we carry, where we say now they do, we really they do. And if you like they give us name, we don't care. But we know the layo wrong go here. Today we'll talk A, tomorrow we'll talk B. You know good, my people. But why it be say now human being they do? Human being, if you fair, they will say you too fair. You they bleach. They will say you be like wish. They will say you they smell. If you black, they'll say you be like black monkey. They'll say you be like this. If you poor, They'll say you be a boy way, you be lazy man, you be lazy woman. They'll say you be bad dead. They'll say you no struggle rich. They'll say you no get sense. If you rich, they'll say you dey proud. Eh? If you born, they'll say you too spoil every night. Wow, every night. Wow. You know they do another thing for night. If you no born, hey. Now so they do you, barren woman, you will not feel born. No, if you not born, they know they even agree you talk for public. As you just go follow person chorus, we go just fair tell you. There go, you will be barren woman, you will not born. Hey, nothing. Me, I can't, this one when me want play to now so. Let me continue, say this life where we did so. Nothing where person go do, where they know, we no get talk. That's why right from time, even if people they talk, follow me. Some people go say, Monica, why you know they prepare you? Now because me I know say people na tayo tare na they be. Anyone where each people they call age or they know it. Anyone where they go, where they connect people just be. Their mouth no they stay one place. If you get husband, they'll say, yee. Wait to say, waiting, now make and they do like say. Then if you not get husband, they'll say, ooh, I shall wo. If you take somebody husband, they will say, ooh, husband snatcher. They go forget saying that the husband can't toast you. If you know also, if somebody take your husband, they'll still say, ooh, see you, loser, slacker, mungu. They'll say you don't know how far. Nothing way you might be no go talk. Eh? If your pikin quit born, they'll say he quit born. If he not born, they'll say he not born. If he go school, they'll say he now because you be EJ doctor. Now make you they do like that. If he not go, they'll say see all his children they useless. Me, I never see anything for this life where person they do for this life where people not go talk. I not gonna know why some people will come say I want go kill myself or I want go chop sniper. Or make people not laugh me. My sister, if you carry that belly you born, they go laugh you. Even when you kill yourself, they go still laugh you. Eh? Now so this life be person where don't still die, don't go, they go laugh. Eh? If some people they husband house where they beat them, they go say I don't want come out. Oh, if I come on, people go laugh me. But they can't die for the husband, people still they laugh them. Now so where this life be. That's why this life one thing where you go hold on to, now that thing will make you happy. Because you wear shoe, now you know where they pain you. You know understand. Person when no wear them, you don't know where they pain you. You only they see them for your leg. That's why it's good. Hold on to that thing. Where you know, say, no choice. You know what you are doing, but now where situation of life put you be this. Now your best, now be this one. But if you can't really know, say, now bad choice you make, you know good, you feel change them by yourself. No be by waiting people go talk because people must always talk. Like me now, if anything where I do, people must always talk. If you like it good, they go talk. If you like it bad, they go talk. People go talk. Oh, so just be yourself is the best way of living life. This video, the way we are listening to this video today, it can't tire me. Say, we human being, why we be like this? Especially our tribe. Now you just do this thing past. Why? Eh? Why our mouth no they stay for one place? When we dey Facebook, they teach women say if men they beat you, if husband they beat you, not be good marriage be that. Either you try make you take that man to a therapy, make the man they go therapy because it's not normal. Because some men stress don't finish their head. Make you not just stay inside like that. Make it not come kill you. Wait till they talk. They say, hey, me and my friend, we not good. Oh, we they drive people come on for husband house. Oh, we they corrupt all these women. Oh, they use us. They shout. They use. Sometimes some can't even they talk say we not get husband. Now we want draw follow body. Now we they look for. My people, make una hear this one. I just tired. Why this life be like this? Now me come the waka they go now I can see this color. Now this color he baffle me.
Make us
My people, una hear wetin this woman talk just now. This woman say all the presenters with the Facebook, with the laugh, single mother say nothing. Now he make this woman shame. That woman with the key for Germany, where your husband kill. Say now shame make that woman stay husband house, where no come up for husband house, where the husband can kill her. You understand? So, my people, meanwhile, these people so where they talk so the time where me and my girlfriend they do video say domestic violent marriage e no good, person no get back, e better pass the one where get home. They come they narrate me and my friend they go, they say we they drive people for husband. Until today some men still believe say those women no follow them, they spoil women, they drive women for husband house. You see, because those men know say that they abuse those women. If those women follow, their eye go open. Because we know the green make man they abuse women, can't tell and say na love. The time where people where they social media, Facebook that time they come they carry and they go say if man no beat them, they know they love man. Now we teach them say no. Na wrong thing be that. Maybe because una no go school. Na make una dey feel say na slapping na be love. E get one time where one of our Benin brother, he can't beat his wife. Because say that our Benin brother na person where they big, where they hear his name everywhere. People come they hide them for and say no be woman beater. But the wife, people constantly tell her, may go back, wait, not be one slap. Not be one slap, you know beating where that they beat me, when me stay husband house, and who they know they beat for husband. Me and my girlfriend that time, we can't they cry about that thing. We can't they against them. All of them can't hate us, say we want me that girl come on for that husband house. Because we see, say the way that man take beat that girl and he still they deny, we can't say that this type of character na psychopath. My people, psychopath na that kind man, where they be like rats. They go they eat you, they go they blow you. Before they go kill you, chop you finish, you not go nowhere. Now so where they be. When they don't beat you finish, their eye go come clear, they will come beg you, they will come pet you. If they not fair they sweep for her, they'll come they sweep. If they not fair they clean, they'll they clean. If they fair they sleep outside, they not sleep outside again, they'll come stay. But you know the last to that they are begging. After 3 days or 1 week, they go beat you again. And so you go take that marriage, or you will say one day it go better, one day it go change. It go change. Before you know, you can't die there. So when we can't notice, say, this girl, the way this girl take cry, take talk, say, this guy, they always beat her. But if he beat and finish, he go bring a con live video, go come tell and say, can't greet them. The way that get take judge, we can't know say this man a psychopath, so he go kill this girl one day. That time we all go come they say, oh, why she not come on? Why she not come on? Now me and my girlfriend can't take on top of ourselves say, instead of me we can't cry this beautiful girl, he better make it go. If marriage one break, make it break. All our tribe people, Benin people, they call me and my girlfriend homebreaker. That time they call us homebreaker. If they call for live video, they go insult us, especially me, especially my girlfriend. They go insult us. They'll say those women they be homebreaker, they no want me women marry. Many men go say Monica they command women for marriage. They'll say because woman, if they don't get good character, you need to beat them. But me and my girlfriend can say no, woman, your wife not be your baby, not be your toy. You don't need to beat your wife. No, if your wife do something, make una talk am. If una talk am, enough finish, make una try look for specialist help. We go help una. Me, I can't teach una. I can't dey talk am how they'll fit take call for help, how they'll fit take go there, how they'll fit take they go for control where they'll come fit help the man, or if not the woman get anger problem, or not the man get anger problem. Say all these things, or you both get medicine for am. But our people no hear us. They say because we there abroad, no mean say maybe we can't behave like abroad women, like white women. Say we not be white woman, say we be African women, say our tradition must remain. Say our tradition demand say they go dey beat woman, you know they die. But we know say if you dey beat woman all the time, one day you go kill her. So me una listen to another woman wey come still talk.
On you, every one of you who have castigated single mothers, and divorcees, women who are alone because they could not bear any longer to stay in an abusive relationship, in a relationship that is not yielding them anything but tears, pain, regret, and sorrow. You people mock them. I am sure. Oh my God, this is from Germany. I mean, did you guys see what is happening now? Germany have always the center of attention where everybody castigates every single woman in Germany. Oh, Germany women, kindergarten. I don't know what you guys call it there.
My people, that one another woman. Instead they talk say, people with their social media say that they laugh single women, that they mock them, that they do this, and they come with me never really know who they talk to. Another woman
if I force you know a remarriage, why you we sorry. One way now. I bet you can't go no, I'm one TV match. Okay, we want to chuke the woman chuke why? As we are connected, Russia hospital, you have a general hospital, woman will give up. Omeane, Tamimania, I have cocoa morning in a year. In your only who's on your sha. I'm a value anyway. To value you. This kind of fight will continue small, in knock you small, you go like go settle. In knock you second. Now the day we go knock you finish, go send you to where you don't expect. Okay, you have money for a day, Chris. You don't send that woman to where you don't expect now. Should take the show me the woman just now.
My people, now they me can know say, this life na so it be. Uno going talk ba. The time where it be say, me and my girlfriend. Now we they tell all these women, if they beat you now, no stay. Because now so it go beat you. It go beat you, it go beg you. It go beat you, it go beg you. As this last one just say. So one day go beat you, you go die. All these people where they talk, so why I record their voice be say, now then that time they talk say we they drive women for husband house. Now then they talk say we know they let these women stay husband house. Say nowhere where they know they quarrel. Husband and wife they quarrel. If they quarrel, they go settle. We can say husband and wife where they fight every day. That one not be quarrel. Husband and wife they quarrel with mouth. Una go the verse for something. Una argue for something. But for husband to come give you blow, your eye go come black. For husband to come choke you knife or throw you something, go come fall for your chest. Say, it no good. That kind one, it don't pass, be careful. If you did that kind marriage, call for help. Look for help. Come on for that marriage. Because that one not be marriage. If you love your children, you go leave that marriage. Because if you die, you don't die finish. These people, the first one we fair call, we talk say, now so that they mock single mother for Germany, now so that they name there. Now all these people that time, this particular lady, they always do video. Anytime we take do video, say domestic violent marriage is bad. Pack and go. Don't consider it. Don't stay in it. You will die one day. You don't know when. You are saying na so na fair they fight. Na so na fair they fight. One day go hit you. You go die. This woman, anytime when we take do one, it go come out. It go come talk say, living is not the option. It go say if man they beat you, leaving the marriage is not the option. We can't they look there when the team against us, but we no rest. We can't continue because we know say what is bad is bad. If he let make the whole world be against us, we know say this type of thing one day go happen. Somebody go die and somebody don't die. And say the way all of them don't change you. Me, I can't tire. All of them can't they preach like us. Domestic marriage is bad. Since when, my people? Why not be like the one that they deceive una people? So, person go first die before una go see. Una not the first see something before it happen. Me, the first see you. Why una be like that? The thing don't happen, and now everybody don't become preaching against domestic violence. Since when una start to dey tell women make they come up for husband her? Until una say wait or wait day. See that woman just now, they talk. He say, if you say, not be every woman they feel put their husband for inside bottle. Meaning those wey get husband, they put their husband for inside bottle. I don't understand how come they can suddenly change, come suddenly know say e good make person come on for husband house where they beat her. How this woman come finally tell no say people where their husband they put their husband for bottle now make everywhere calm. When I still bring bottle come and tell married women say if you know say your husband they do anyhow, they do ragaga, they beat you, you don't know what they go on because this may also some of them before they enter abroad they take all this hold, they did this court, they get spiritual problems. So now first son something don't happen. People now come buy bottle more na take work for na marriage. Now this type of women still come out to hey mona no buy that bottle, mona no mind na more. Na spiritual bottle, that bottle na this so, but today na she can still use her mouth to talk and say, no be everybody fit put some men for inside bottle. Say we get sweet marriage because me where they talk so now 18 years now don't they dey with one man so my husband now we don't dey marriage. You understand? We don't pass up, we don't pass down, we don't pass corner. But you see that one will be beating, bo. We no get her. So now it make us come out where we come to tell women say e no good. No be beating that they get sweet marriage. No be beating go make man stay with you. No be beating go make woman submit or respect you. We they teach men, we they teach women. But all these women so where they frustrated, we don't know where they belong. They go come they do past themselves. They go they call that time. Hey, they want drive them for husband has finished. But now where they don't die, they don't change. Now they can't tell us say now we they mock them. Now God, then go fight our battle. More than listening again.
Because this woman would have prevented this death if she lived. Then maybe she could say they go laugh if she be single mother. So make all those last video presenter when they insult single mothers, make them know say if they feel love their husband for bottle or their husband feel good for them, make them know say not be all men good like that.
You see, now this woman can't know say that they see husband way good. Before, they even talk say that they see husband way good. They'll say, it dey everybody body. It dey everybody body. Now me they tell you na so, Monica. It not dey everybody body because some people they under control. Like my own, it not dey my body, but my own, it dey under control. So for this woman to come know say some men they way good and some day we no good, but it don't too late now before they can't change their man. And when we they talk about single mother, because we know say some get bad character. So no want make they stay husband house. And me they always talk and say some they live home when they small like 15 years. What did they know? Now this abroad they come they learn character where they never know before. So if they enter husband, they go they look their mate. The one way wayward, you go they look in mate way wayward. Before you know, you come become fighting. It not good. Because of and if we want even do single mother video, we they always say stupid single mother by stupidity. Because someday man no say I want marry you, man no say give me belle, he go just give man belle, boy, he go born that one finish, he never even breastfeed that one finish, don't they marry, he don't they get pregnant for another man too. Man two never even set to finish. Don't they marry another man three? That one na crazy single mother now. Now all those single mother now with they talk to make them for pack where make them behave. And all these stories where we they always bring command. Una know say na people they can't tell us not then. Every day I go day line waiting at the year. My husband this, my marriage this, my home this, my baby father this. To teach other people where they learn. All these women where be saying that they even they psychopath house, they go come man, they go they use audio till they talk. Make I show now another one where really touch my heart. This one where I want play so. Now my girlfriend, where we dey gather, they work. Domestic violent marriage must stop.
That now you are gone forever.
Look at her, she was crying.
Forever you are gone. Who is going to care for your children?
Mona, just listen.
And the man is even going to prison. You got no mother here. You got no father here. Even your blood sister cannot take care of 3 children for you. It's not possible according to the law. If your sister got kids, they are not going to give those children to your sister. If there is no document to show that if anything happens, they should give those children to your sister, those children are gone. Your family have lost a life. They have lost their grandchildren, their cousins, their nephews. They have lost. Why? Because someone is out there preaching to you that my own marriage is bad. I am pretending. Someone
She's crying.
is there telling you, Lolo that is telling you to leave your marriage, that this Lolo's marriage is bad.
She's crying.
Don't listen. It is sad, like really sad, to know that a woman who is not sick, a healthy woman who is not sick, just died in the hands of a man. Because you that is watching me now said she shouldn't leave. No marriage is perfect. You that is watching me, you will laugh at her when she leave her marriage. My younger sister used to tell me, said, some people really don't understand how it feels like when they've not been there. Few people like me truly understand how it feels like without being there. Few people like me knows that. Many people, they got no idea. That is why they are quick
crying,
to
guys.
advise you to bear. The other day I saw a video. You guys were sharing it so hard. Why? Because the person said some people, they pretend in their own marriage and they advise you to leave their own, your own. Look at one of the people that was advised to stay in their own, that other people's own is bad. She's dead. She's gone. They are not going to bury her. They are going to burn her to ashes. They are going to burn her to ashes. When her children grow up,
She's crying.
if possible, I don't know, they will hand over this type of thing to them, that this is their mom. My people, why? Marriage is not a do or die affair. Please, women out there, I am begging. If the marriage is not working, please walk away. You are in Europe, where they create avenue for you to survive. You live in Europe, where they will provide for you. They will provide for you to survive. You are not in Africa. Even in Africa today, some people back to their parents' house and then the consequences of what people will say about them, because them alone know what they are going through in the hands of that man. But here in Europe, you people will mock each other and tell them, Lolo's marriage is bad, don't listen to her. Lolo, can you tell us your husband never beat you? No, he don't. He don't beat me because I'm not his baby. And if he don't want me anymore, it's very easy. The door is wide, he can walk away. I didn't tie him down. Marriage is, his life is not hanging on the marriage. If he leave, he's still going to survive. Please, women out there, it is
coming back.
She was not battling with cancer. No. She was not battling with diabetes. No. She
Make a video. Just come and enter inside now. Make the noise.
What kind of sickness will I say? I don't know. She wasn't battling with those things. She was just killed. She was just killed. Just like that. A full-grown woman with children. She was stabbed to death by this man. She was stabbed to death by this man. He took a kitchen knife and stabbed this woman to death. I don't want to know what they quarrel about. I don't want to know. Definitely the marriage was not smooth. Definitely they've been quarreling before. Definitely they have been fighting like this before. Many confirm the man have always threatened to kill her one day. What were you doing there? What was she still doing there? She wasn't sick. She didn't have epilepsy, fell and died. No, that was not the case. She didn't die of high blood pressure. That was not the case. She was healthy. She was fine. Yes, we can call the man a monster, but the woman had the opportunity to walk away. The man had the opportunity to say, no, I don't want you anymore, but why can't you guys do it? This is the end. This is the final stop of it. Many of you today are disfigured one way or the other. Why? Because you tell to yourself, it's my marriage. Nobody is perfect. I will stay there. No, no marriage is perfect, but beating each other, threatening to kill each other is not part of it too. When that young lady came out the other time and said, he beats me, he stabbed me, he used knife and hit me on my head. Many of you say, shut up, shut up, shut up, don't say that. Many of you say, no, no, why will you post it? You wish them bad. No, I don't wish them bad. This is what I was avoiding. This is what I was avoiding. I blessed the day that little girl took the decision to walk away. Some of you will say, oh, Lola, are you happy for the marriage is gone? Yes, I am happy because the both of them are alive today and they can make life again. They can find their true match. They can find their soulmates. Some people are not meant for each other. I am telling you the gospel truth. That is why you will see some couples, some of you will say, he don't put them for bottle, he don't use juju tire, he don't give and juju toto water drink. No, those people are made for each other.
Like me and Ambrose. You can see how busy my phone is for people issue. Eh? My people, you can testify. Those who call me and watch my video, you can see when I'm making video within how many minutes is this? 35 minutes. You know how many phone calls have stop. You think they are all my family? No, my family don't call me like that every 2 seconds. No way. Eh? They are all people want to say their issues. By the time we now start talking on it, advising it because it's what we have heard. How many people they call you where you feel yeah, waiting they really go on for inside people marriage? Eh? No be who they call. No be go feel really talk say, yes, something they go on for people marriage. Where they make us they talk. Eh? You just heard what my girlfriend just said. I don't understand if these people are really primary school dropouts, that they don't get it. Today, you know what they did? They carried this masterpiece video. They post it and they wrote on it, you are a pretender for crying. Oh my God, what kind of human being are you guys? Me, I watched this video, I was crying because it's exactly what we have been saying. Marriage is not do or die. If it's not working, walk away. Don't allow any man to beat you. A man that beat you will beat you until you die. Because he do am one day, you no die. No mean say if he do another day, you no go die. Eh? You no be baby. That's what we have been saying. But you guys will not get it. Today, now you all are jumping out to come and say, domestic marriage, if not be the way the last single mother, this woman for their life. No. Now. When they make videos, say, some people, like we they pretend, we they hide our own, we keep our own, we say, maybe that they come up for husband, whether husband not they beat us. No, husband not they beat us. If husband they beat us, we go waka comot. Because they know that mean they talk you married woman, not they make you go, married title, not they make you go heaven. Because say you be married woman, you will die, you can't go heaven. No, not be that one. They know they use because you married, take give audion way to you. Hey, no award where they give to best married man, married woman. Why will you kill yourself for useless one? When you are not really living happily married, why pretending because you want to be like Monica? Monica is happily married. Whether you believe it or you don't believe it, it's none of my business. It's your fucking business. It's your own business. It don't concern me. But all I know, I am happily married. Nobody beat me. Husband don't touch me. I'm not a baby. Stop it, women. That's why my girlfriend be crying and be saying with you guys, we call out different sort of names. But today, this is a living example of what we have been preaching, and now you guys are tuning it again. Why are you guys like this? Eh? That's another call. More than 7 calls. Now. They are not my family member. They are not my family members. They are Facebook people seeking and looking for help. You don't know their story. You don't know what I hear every blessed day about people. If I come outside to say, don't stay with a useless man, that is not how to be married. And you dare tell me that I am pursuing women from marriages. Today, they don't die now. One video that day, 2 weeks ago, one at the church, they go, somebody made video say, some people, they are married, no good, they advise you, may you come up for your own, be wise. Look at it today now. If something not be made. You understand? Because all made not made. But if your own not made, it not be made. That word is there your body. No, it not there everybody body. Some people are under control. No marriage is perfect. Some marriage, they are under control. When your own is not under control, it's above you. You can't put it under control. What are you doing there? When you die, sorry. You become the topic and the talk of the day. Kewe kohoho. Go come they call you mumu fool. Be wise now. You that are still in that domestic marriage. You that is looking at me now. You that think your husband will change one day because he keep beating you and keep begging you for 2 weeks change. He go beat you, he go change for 1 week. Go beat you, he go change for 3 days. You go see very soon. Rest in peace. Then they go put for your picture. Look at Joy now, this woman. Now rest in peace. They put a picture for YouTube. When she there alive, she go say, yeah, I don't want social media. Oh, I don't want. Come see a picture now. Kewe kohoho. Make we dey careful. Now when we dey like so, now we go the plan way. If I'm at time day, lick your man by yourself. Nobody go lick her for you. If you dey wait, make another person can't tell you what to do when something not good. You go wait until you die. Thank you all so much. Please don't forget to share, like my video, and always subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you other time.